Inside of ON1 Photo RAW, it is incredibly easy to replace or swap out your backgrounds using SkySwap AI. It's also really easy to import custom skies that you've captured or ones that you've downloaded from the internet. Today we're going to import and use the Astrotopia Sky Pack from Ocudrone. It's a really awesome collection of skies ranging from moons to astrophotography to the northern lights. So inside of Photo RAW here, we're just going to go into the Sky tab. It's automatically going to identify the sky for us and create a mask. That way, all we have to do is pick the sky that we want to use within our image. So let's import these skies. We're going to choose Import within the Sky section here. Now in this Extras Manager dialog, we're going to go to Import. And we're going to navigate to where we've downloaded the Astrotopia skies. Inside of that folder, I'm just going to select all of the skies that go along with the pack. And I'm going to choose Open. Now let's create a new custom category here. We'll just choose Add Category, and we'll use that Astrotopia skies category name. We'll choose OK there, and it's going to import those skies into our Extras Manager so that we can immediately use them and replace our skies or backgrounds with them. So once the import is done, we can just choose Close here. So now let's go back into our SkySwap AI filter. We're going to go into that Sky section again, and let's head into our category menu. And we're going to scroll all the way down here to where we have this My Skies section. We'll go into the Astrotopia Skies category there that we just imported. And now we can access all of those different skies by going into the Sky menu, and we can navigate through to see what works within our scene. There's 25 amazing skies to choose from, so feel free to play around with them and see what works within your image. I think for me, I'm going to choose this Northern Lights option. I think it works really well for this particular image. It matches up with the scenery and the vibe that's going on within the foreground there. Now remember, in the position section, you can always modify the horizon in case you need to pull it down a little bit or move it up. I think it's pretty much perfect right about there. You can also modify the appearance if you need to either warm up the sky or brighten it or darken it. So if you need to cool it down, you can modify the warmth here with this slider here, or you can warm it up to again match up your foreground scene. And then with brightness, if we need things a little bit brighter, we can always pull up on the brightness slider there to ensure that things are consistent and they look natural. So that's how easy it is to import your own custom skies. Today we imported the Astrotopia skies from Ocudrone, an amazing collection of skies ranging from intense Milky Way galaxies to the northern lights to detailed moon captures. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.